Hi everybody, Ms Harriete here and welcome to your science experiment. Yes, today we have a science experiment to do. I hope you enjoy it. If you have the products at home and the ingredients, then please pause the video and you can do it at the same time as me. Okay? So I will show you what you will need. I'll just move my camera down. So to do this experiment, you will need a jar or a glass, a plate or something like a tea towel or something to protect the surface because you might get some liquid flowing. Okay, you will need some vinegar, you will need some bicarbonate soda, and you will need a couple of drops of food dye. Okay, so hopefully this is okay and you can see this. So let's do 2 spoonfuls of this food dye. Let's do 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, and it already looks really cool. Look at this. Ooh, awesome. If you don't have red, use whatever colour you have. Next, I'm going to put just a couple of teaspoons of bicarbonate soda in here. Okay. So there, so far we have bicarbonate soda and we have red food colouring. Yes. Now watch closely for the next bit. Maybe I can bring this a little bit closer so you can see what happens. Now we're just going to add a little bit of vinegar, just about up to here, just a tiny bit. Let's see what happens. Oh wow, how cool is that? Can you see it all fizzing? So what has happened is, can you hear that? So that is a chemical reaction. We add a little bit more. Oh wow, can you see it getting higher? Yes, so this is a chemical reaction between the powder, the bicarbonate of soda, and the vinegar. Now this isn't very strong vinegar, this is apple vinegar, but if you have a stronger vinegar, you are likely to find that the bubbles go all the way to the top and they pour out the side. Yes, if you have a stronger vinegar at home, you will see an even bigger reaction. How cool is that? It's still fizzing away. Can you hear that? It's making like a fizzing noise. Ooh, and it's very strong. And I can see there is still, if I swirl it, I'm causing another chemical reaction. Can you hear that? Really cool to do. I hope you have enjoyed today's science experiment and I look forward to seeing you all have a go at home. If you try it at home, please let me know and you can send a little picture or a video of you trying the experiment. Good luck and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.